Hi, I'm Rachel from Automated Film Props, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how we can automate props such as gauges or dials. So if you're in the process of making a gauge or a dial yourself, we can supply you with one of our gauge drivers, which you can use with a stepper motor to drive the needle. And we can also add LEDs so that you can have some backlighting to your gauge. Now, we can also, if you are less interested in building the gauge yourself, you can send us your artwork and we can create one of these sub-assemblies like our demo model here. Now, this can be controlled through your laptop or a web page on your phone or even from one of our controllers. It's entirely up to you. And what we do is we deliver events to this gauge depending on the requirement. So if your gauge is going to be used in a scene which has low lighting, then the appropriate backlighting might only be a low intensity light, or we can crack it up to 100% intensity if needed. And we can also control the needle, which is being powered by the stepper motor. Now, again, depending on what the units are, it doesn't matter, but in this case, we're doing it in units of 10. We can send the needle to 10, or we can send it to 30, and up to 100. And that all happens relatively quickly, as you can see. And if we need to reset between takes, I can send that back down to 0, or I can turn off the light if I want to and turn it back on again. If you're interested in this and you think this would be beneficial to bring an extra level of control and creativity to your props, then we would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video.